Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. This is going to be another double dip kit collection. This one is their winter collection, and right now it is on their website for $44.99. It's called the Winter Weekend Nail Dip Powder Starter Kit and Nail Sticker. Alright, this is also going to be a giveaway. So I will tell you guys the giveaway rules as we go. So I'm just showing you guys the kit here. It's the same as the last kit. It has some really beautiful stickers, instruction manual, brush for dusting off the dip powder. It has the dip system, which I do not use in this kit because I want to show you the different ways to use the kit. So if you want to see me use the dip system, go back and watch the following video, which you guys will need to do that anyway to enter the giveaway. Alright guys, so you're going to prep your nails just like you normally would, but I went ahead and I put on my XXL French stilettos from Enail Couture, and I am going to use the press-on gel, or I did use the press-on gel to apply those. So here are the colors that I did not use, but I still wanted to swatch them to show you what they looked like. And that is 2 coats. Alright, so here are the 2 colors that I use. So I'm just getting them ready. If anybody is interested in these nails I'm wearing, I will leave a link down below. I'm getting my spoon I got from AliExpress. If you're interested in that, go check it out. Now, I'm using my grip base gel, and I'm actually showing you other options that you can use. You can use the Burano Foil Glue 3-in-1. You can use the Burano 3-in-1 base gel, which is really awesome, or you can use this grip base, which is amazing because it's a really thick gel and it works fantastic. I found this on eBay, so if I can find it again, I will leave a link for you guys. But you don't have to use it, but I prefer, when I'm doing dips, I prefer to use a very thick consistency base coat. It just works so much better. So what I do is I put the first layer on, and then I sprinkle on my color, okay? And then as it is soaking in, I will keep sprinkling it over the top of the nail. That way it keeps soaking in. And I do give it like a flash cure. I am taking some isopropyl alcohol and a brush, and I'm going to clean up any of the dip that I got outside of the smile line, because we're only doing the French smile line on these nails. I thought it was perfect. I thought it looked good. I was like, yeah, let's just do it. And guys, I love these nails. Oh my gosh, I love them. Alright, so we're going to go in again with the base. Sorry if I sound funny, guys. I have a sinus infection, and it's just driving me crazy. So please send your prayers and your well wishes. I am so tired of feeling like this. I can't get anything done. So right now I'm just cleaning up the edges, making sure everything's nice and smooth and crisp. And then I'll do a flash cure. Sometimes I use my light, sometimes I don't. Alright, so now I've already put the gel on, so I'm going to go right in with the powder. And I honestly should have done 2 coats of the red, but I did not. I only did 1 coat of the red. So let me go ahead and talk about the giveaway real quick. The requirements that Double Dip has provided: you have to be in the United States of America to enter the giveaway. So it is a US only giveaway. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must like and share the video. You also need to join the Double Dip Facebook group, which I will leave down below. Once you have done that, come back and let me know in the comment section. Also, you will need to cover the $6.99 for shipping. Okay? I don't know why, but they're not providing that. So you will need to provide the $6.99 if you want to enter. Do not forget that. Also, if you don't want to enter, I do have a 10% off code, where if you do use the code and get any of the other kits, you can get an extra entry. So, I'm not sure how they're going to do that. I'm sure they'll calculate that on their side and let me know who orders and who doesn't. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're going to let me know. So, they will also be checking their Facebook group to find out who enters the Facebook group, because you can't enter the giveaway without joining their Facebook group. Okay? So I just want to let you guys know that there is going to be one winner, and they are going to send me a link that the winner has to fill out to claim their prize. Okay? So I will pick the winner next week. That way you guys can go on and get your prize. Anyway, after I do all that, I do a full cure in my LED light, and then I brushed them off, as you saw here. And now I'm going in with the gemstones. And I use a lot of gemstones. I use a lot of red and a lot of gold. And I thought it just looked really, really pretty. These big ones I got from AliExpress. I'll leave a link below. I'm using my McCart glue gel to adhere the stones. I'm also using my McCart top coat. So again, if you guys, I'm sure you already know, I do have a 15% off with McCart. So if there's something that you guys want from McCart, go check them out. Alright, and then I go in with these beautiful stickers that they provided. And I think I used the long ones, the snowflakes. So definitely go check out my last video because oh my gosh, you guys, I didn't even tell you what you were gonna win. You guys are gonna win the Christmas collection because it's only gonna be available for it's only gonna be available until Christmas or until the end of December. You're not getting this collection, but you're going to win the other one, the one that I did the video on. So if you want to see what collection you're going to win, you've got to go watch that video. And that's one of the recommendations. If you've already saw the video, wonderful. Comment that below, okay? I really love this set, and I did not use a peel off base coat, so these puppies are on until I take them off, which I sadly am taking them off very soon. That way I can do some more videos. But I love this set. So I do go in with Loved by Verdi's Cuticle Oil, and I put that on. You can get some of that at www.lovedbyverdi.com. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, please follow the rules for the giveaway if you are interested. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Again, this is the winter collection kit. This is not the kit that I'm giving away. This is not the kit that the Double Dip company is giving away. It is the other kit that I did review, so definitely make sure you watch that video. They do have some really gorgeous colors in that collection, and they also have 2 limited edition colors also in that collection. Not this one, but the other one. So it's a really good kit to get. I do approve. I love it. It worked great. So did this one. I had no problems. Enjoyed it. So with that said, hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in my next one. God bless. Bye.